Good morning everyone. Welcome to the Philippines. After we visited Sandira beach, now we are going to see Mangrove Garden, which is located 4 km away from Sandira beach. It took only 15 minutes to reach from there. On the way, you can see palm tree forest, which is famous for taking photo for your Instagram, Facebook, all the social media. Don't miss the opportunity. The ride was very pleasant and you can see very beautiful scenery along the way. Finally, we reached the place. In the entrance of the mangrove garden, there is a souvenir shop available. You can buy your souvenir gifts over here.
Hi.
Bracelet 3 for 50 pesos and necklace 3 for 100.
Okay.
Bracelet, try for 50.
Okay. Ambal paisa pada inuwa.
Here you can see the local craftsmanship. They made a dream capture with the seashell, which looks beautiful, and lot of home decorative, everything local made, which is cheap and affordable. All the crafts are made by hand from the local out of seashells, which looks very beautiful, decorative for your house. T-shirt only for 170 pesos.
Hi. One ticket. How much?
75, sir.
75.
Write your name, sir.
Thank you.
The staff at the entrance very friendly and very welcoming.
Here, country, sir.
Okay.
Ako
Sorry.
Hi, sir.
Hi.
Your money is so big.
I have no change also. If you go to the ATM, they give only 1,000. They never give small one.
You have 1,000 money.
It's very big.
After I got the 70 peso entrance ticket, I went inside. The signboard says Mangrove Eco Park and it was very welcoming.
It's a beautiful place.
But you can see here super low tide, so the entrance there is no water.
It's low tide. It's getting better now. You can see the water is moving up. Maybe another 2-3 hours the water will be until there.
Since it's getting high tide right now, by the time when I fly my drone, it will be filled with water.
There's a restaurant, only guests only. Maybe you can have a look. Currently closed. It's a nice place. See the roof?
For some reason, I don't know why this place not operated.
The water is coming up.
This place have a lot of shelters, so if it is rain, no need to worry about it. You have a place to guard yourself.
It's very windy. I don't know what it says.
This place look like
Okay, let's go
maze
inside.
made out of mangrove forest. Once you go inside, you never know your position where you are. Just keep walking the walk path, you will be fine. And one more thing, this place best for watching birds. You can hear the lot of bird sound, which is naturally complementing this place. Every corner you can see the beautiful local craftsmanship. They show their talent, which looks very beautiful.
Yes, small shop over here. Hi, how are you?
If you forgot your snacks and water, you can buy over here,
Wow.
which is fantastic.
The water raising up? High tide.
This is the fish feeding place. You can buy the fish food in this shop.
You can see so many fish over here.
There is a beautiful bamboo tower behind me. Thank you for watching. If you like this video so far, please like and comment below. And subscribe to the channel would be awesome.
That's the sea. The water level is rising now, so the water coming in.
For the contest, you can see right now where I'm standing. This place looks amazing and very beautiful. This place have so many shelters so you can take a rest along the way.
Let's see what's going on here. Wow, you have a nice shelter.
Here you can see lot of information about this place. This is the marine protected area. The size of the area 116 acres. That is very huge. If you want to explore this place by walking, it will take minimum 1 hour. The best time to visit this place in the afternoon because that time here high tide, so this place filled with water and windy also. For me, the missed opportunity is I didn't feed the fish. This is the end of the trail. If you take a left, the path take you to the entrance. It will take you 20 minutes to reach. If I really want to show you the beauty of this place, I need to fly the drone. Then only I can show you the real beauty of this mangrove eco park. Look at that, how beautiful it is. 116 acre, so big and looks so beautiful. This is one of the iconic tourist place for Cebu, Bantayan Island. I highly recommend to anyone, if you visit Cebu, you must see this place. The nature beauty is fantastic. I visited so many mangrove forests in Philippines. This is a #1 spot, hands down. Look at the entrance. It became high tide. It is filled with a lot of water right now. It looks great with the water. I highly recommend for everyone visit this place. Do not miss it. This park is very well maintained and protected very well. This location made my day. Look at the view from the sea. It looks like a mini river running through mangrove forest. Absolutely fantastic. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like and comment below. And subscribe to the channel would be awesome. I see you guys in another video soon. Thank you.